Come on.
But you have to pay me immediately, by the way, right before.
Anyway, so you stay here?
No. This is my office.
Okay.
But you have to pay me cash before.
Cash?
You order with cash.
Cash?
You do not go and then you don't pay me.
Get that. Take it easy.
Who are you giving 5,000 shillings? Are you not seeing what I have to offer or what?
Yes,
Who are you giving 5,000
yes,
shillings?
I can. It's okay.
No, you are passing through me,
okay,
eyes.
It's okay. Take it easy. It's okay. Have the money. Actually,
all of it.
Yeah, all of it. The main
It's all mine.
Please.
Oh.
Thanks, baby. Take it easy. Wow, this is a nice office. You have a wonderful office.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
These belts.
The belts, I watched a movie, yeah? And in that movie, I learned certain things. So I tie you up, I tie your arms and legs, and then I do with you as I please.
Well, that's a better style. I like that.
You also put off your shoes, you lie down.
It'd be good to really take that to
put
make
off your
it a
shoes.
try.
Yeah, put off your shoes. I'll show you. Just put off your shoes and lie down. The rest are organized. The rest of them are okay. Just the shoes and lie down.
This is good.
Wonderful, very wonderful.
This is good.
Yeah, so what you do, you lie, you bring your arms.
Yes, I bring.
First sit up.
Oh, I sit up. I bring.
You bring your arms together like. So I tie your hands.
Yeah.
Usually now, this, it puts me in control. I'm the one who is in control of everything. So, there I tie you there like that.
Yes.
Then here also tie your legs.
I think this style.
It's unique. It's very unique.
Yeah. This is serious.
Yes.
I've never seen this style.
Even me, the first time I saw it, I was happy.
It's like
And what
comedy.
you do, you write down. I know it's like comedy. So I have my equipment. So I wanted to know. Promote prostitution.
No.
You promoting prostitution. You promoting prostitution.
Why? This is. Hey.
Why is it that you promote prostitution
Please,
here
please.
in Dororo? You
No.
come around.
No.
You keep promoting prostitution. Prostitution.
No, I don't.
And then you go around. How much is it? 100,000. Can you buy a human being at 100,000? At 100,000?
Sorry. No.
Untie me and then go.
No, untie me and I go, please.
Do you want your money back?
No, please. Untie me, please.
That's very simple.
No.
Very simple, by the way. Very simple. Now I'm going to count to 3. I
Yes.
don't want to see you. 1, you're still here, you will be seen. Hey. You are back.
My God, please.